Hi, this is Brian, and I directed Healthcare America Uniting Our Voices. I wanted to invite all of you for the very first world premiere of the film. It's going to be on June 28th, 2020 from 7 p.m. till 10 p.m. And you're going to get to meet healthcare experts and some of the film subjects that were actually in the film. And all of this is being made free, so you don't have to pay anything. You just go and register yourself, and you should get a link that you'll be able to click on. Some of the people that you'll get to meet are Dr. David Shirin. He's literally been the CEO of Mental Health America, which is the largest advocacy group for mental health conditions in the United States. He's worked closely with so many directors of the NIH. I think this is an extremely incredible opportunity to actually get to meet him firsthand. You'll also get to meet Dr. Pamela Weibull, who's done TED Talks. She is the 2015 Woman Leader in Medicine and an expert on physician suicide. And she is kind of forefronting the movement of kind of where our healthcare is going and where it should go. So I think that she is also just someone you guys will really love to meet. Also, we have Shannon Smith. She is a global health systems leader. She's spent over 25 years working in different types of healthcare industries out in California, some of the most prominent health insurance companies, and she's kind of been on the forefront of those. And then has recently, about a year ago, she moved to Canada and is working for the health systems there. So she is an incredible person to kind of learn and communicate with the differences of our different healthcare systems, comparing them between different countries. We also have Shelby Brennaman, and she is an applied behavioral analyst. She does a lot of applied behavioral analysis, and you will see how this is very closely tied to what Dr. David Shirin speaks about in the film, and kind of brings up some fascinating points of what we can consider in our future and how we can really improve our communities. And we also have Yasmin, and she's actually one of the people that I kind of met along the journey throughout this film, just in the middle of this small town in the middle of New Mexico. And she shares her experiences having moved from Houston, big city, and compares it to how accessing medical attention in these very rural places is like. And you'll get to actually meet her in the panel. I was actually able to reconnect with her to join us, and I think that's going to be incredible. And we're going to have a few more people than we have on this little flyer. I think this is going to be a very wonderful opportunity, because these discussions that we're going to be starting are really going to open the doors to kind of what we need to do as a community and what we can do to make change. And you're actually going to get to meet some of the people on the forefront of that. And you're going to get to interact with them, write to them, and get to hear their responses. And I think that's going to be something historical, especially given the times we are currently dealing with COVID and, the attention brought to our communities and the importance of that. This is exactly what this film emphasizes. It's exactly, and I honestly feel like this film was powered by the universe, because there's no way I could have just come up with this on my own. I mean, this is like voices of our entire nation that kind of led me on this journey. And I think that's one of the most important things, is I didn't sit down and just plan this all out. This literally happened just by, I want to say coincidence, but I don't believe it's just a coincidence. So, I think this is going to be a great opportunity. Definitely come check this out. Come join June 28th. I'm really excited.